spam fritters. Iceland they were. £2. I haven't had spam for years, since I think I was a child. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to cook one in the oven and I'm going to cook one in the old air fryer. Just see what the difference is. So let's open them and see what they look like. Get them cooked and we'll give them a taste. So let's open it then and have a look. Say it says on here new, but I don't think they're new. I think that's when they first come out. But I haven't tried them before. So I'll open it up anyway. You get 4 in the bag. 4 in the box, should I say. Let's open one up. There they are. That's them. I mean, it's batter and a spam in it, I suppose. That's them there. So how do we cook them anyway? Let's have a look. I've got my oven on warming. 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. I don't know if you can see that. And turn halfway through. So when I turn it halfway through, then I'll put one in the air fryer. Because the air fryer takes about half the time. So after about 10 minutes, stick one in the air fryer. And we'll see what happens. So I'll get them in the oven and we'll give them a taste test when they're done. Well, the spam fritter's been in the oven for about 10 minutes, or about 12 minutes. So I'm going to stick this in here now, in the air fryer, the other one. And we're just going to give it a taste and see what's... So you want 200 degrees, same as the oven. And I'll just start it at 15 minutes. And I'll turn it halfway through. And we'll see. Right, they're done. Can you tell the difference? Let's have a show you. Do you know which one's which? There's that one. And there's that one. That's the oven. That's the air fryer. It's not a lot of difference. What I have noticed, I mean, there's not a lot of difference. But say the other one's a bit more greasy. Look. Obviously, that's expectable, I suppose. But it's all in the taste. So let's give them a cut. Air fryer. There. Let's cut them both up. So there's the air fryer one. And there's the oven. I mean, they look exactly the same, to be fair, don't they? Let's give them a taste and see if we notice any difference. Right, so we'll do the air fryer one first. There it is. Oh, I haven't had these for years. Absolutely years. Okay, that's nice. Now let's try the oven one. Here's the oven one. So it don't look any different. That's a bit surprising, that is, actually. Let me do that again. Oh wow. Air fryer. Lot better. Lot better. Very surprised it'd be that much better, but it is. It's more taste. It's weird, isn't it? More taste to the air fryer one. I suppose it keeps all the juices in, doesn't it? I don't know. That's weird, man. I didn't think there'd be that much difference in the taste. So there you go. Air fryer's the winner. And after time. As I say, I am the old food guy. If you do like content like this, give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave us a comment. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye.